what happens is the water forms a bubble on the surface. That bubble, the minerals through capillary action go to the outer surface. So they hang out on the outer surface of that bubble. As the sun heats up that bubble, it creates a magnifying glass. It actually superheats, and those minerals are on that outer edge. Now they're etching into the glass on that into the paint on that outer edge, and they go there. Eventually, the water dries and goes away. Water spots are a lot more prevalent on a black vehicle than they are on a white vehicle. Rust contamination is a lot more prevalent on a white vehicle than on a black vehicle, just because of the heat. In the summer, this out in the sun, you can't touch the paint. Park a white one beside it. If it's 70 degrees out, the white paint is 70 degrees. That's why a white car, you get the rust spots. The humidity on it never really dries. Whereas on a black car, it dries very quickly. So, two different situations, but a white car, you'll rarely see water spots on it. Because they don't superheat, and they don't etch into the clear coat that's softened because of the heat.